without further ado, bringing in my guest. You may know him on YouTube. He's a database administrator. He's like I call him a Linux guru, even though we don't like the terms guru. But he's a Linux, just well versed in Linux, database administrator, and one of my favorite YouTubers. One of the people who I kind of looked up to when I decided I wanted to kind of do this YouTube thing. So please, ladies and gentlemen, everybody in the chat, my wolf pack, you know how we do it. Please welcome Josh, aka KeepItTechie.
What's up, Devin? How you doing?
What's going on, man? Thank you for joining.
Yeah, no problem. And shout out to everybody in the chat. Good to be able to come through and and share whatever little knowledge I got. You know what I'm saying in the field.
So a little bit of knowledge. It's funny you being humble, but like I said, again. Like I said, you're one of my favorite YouTubers. I see what you're doing in the tech field, but for those who may be new to you, please let them know, who you are and give a little introduction about yourself.
Okay, cool. So I'm Josh. I started a YouTube channel a couple of years ago called KeepItTechie, where I specifically talk about the Linux operating system and just different things you could do with the Linux operating system. But I've been in the IT field for a number of years, close to like 14 years or so. And I also have a military background. So I spent some time in the Army Reserves and just been working in different positions, you know what I'm saying? And I guess one of the reasons I kind of started my channel, and like I said, there's many reasons why I started the channel, but one of them is to actually help people get into the field, try to share as much knowledge as I have with anybody that's willing to listen, so we can, get more people into the field, because it's a lot of jobs that need to be filled and not enough people out there, with the skills and background to actually get in those positions. And so, yeah, my whole goal is to try to, share as much knowledge and try to get people excited about actually getting into the field.
No, absolutely.